What's the monthly cost for the services? We charge between 2,250 and 9,950 depending on the level of service that you get. And then we have clients that pay all the way into the mid $20,000 per month. So that just depends on the volume that we're doing for you. Is there a minimum contract length and requirement? We shoot for 6 months, but you can leave at any time during the first month. We have a decide from the inside guarantee that allows you to check everything out with no commitment. If you come in and you're trying to close deals and you see how we operate, we haven't had anyone come back and ask for their money returned yet. We're really confident in how we operate. And when people get in, they're excited and we start doing deals. But the expectation is to stick around for 6 months. And ultimately, if you want to go at some point in between then, it's not working for you. I'm not one to stick people in contracts anyway, because I'm looking to build long-term relationships. I want to be in deals and partnerships with our clients that last years. I say this often, but we're not looking to scale to 100 different land investors. We're looking for 15 to 20 really solid land investors that we can help scale their company with. And so that's why we set that 6 months expectation. Really, we're trying to find someone we can partner with long term, and that's what we're hunting for. Onboarding fees, we charge $1,000 to get set up and get going because we're building out CRM, Notion pages, systems, automations, doing all the data, skip tracing, research, the onboarding process. We do it all for you. We'll even build a website for you, get that connected, get phone numbers connected so you're TCPA compliant. We go hard on the onboarding and we do it all for you. It takes about a week or two to get done. Specifically about the risk-free guarantee and what that includes. It includes everything. We set up your CRM. We get you property reports. We pull raw data for you. We cold call, qualify leads. We build your whole business, and we will give you priced reports as well for each property. Build out all those systems, and if you decide that it's not what we promised, we will just give you your money back for the first month. So again, you can come in, see what we're up to, and make the decision for yourself. Are there additional costs for the tools mentioned? Like we use Land Insights, Priced, we use different skip tracers, but Versium, Direct Skip. We have the Go High Level CRM, we have Notion, we have Slack. We have the entire tech stack from heavy research on the front end all the way through getting leads qualified and pushed into your CRM where you can talk to them. We take care of all that. So we cover all the costs, the entire software stacked. And question that sometimes comes up is with the CRM, what if people want to leave? You can leave at any point. You can keep using our CRM for $199 a month. We are always updating the CRM. That's a huge thing that we're very big on. I think there's a lot of low hanging fruit in the nurture sequences. And right now we have a GHL expert and a AI developer. We're building conversational text and email follow-ups for the nurture sequence to get old leads re-engaged, to get them to book on our clients' calendars. And that is in beta right now. And we're also then dipping our toes into the conversational AI. So that $199 a month, you can just stick with our CRM, use our follow-up sequences. And this isn't plug into our CRM and then you go in and you have to automate stuff. It's fully built and it goes. It's not the frameworks are there, you go fill in the right words. It's everything's there. Put a lead in it and it's going to start talking to them with AI and booking you appointments. So that is ready to roll. If you decide you don't want to use our full service any longer, but you want to keep the CRM running, you can get that at a monthly rate. You have access to all your data, so you can get all your skip traced files. You own all your own data, all your leads. You can download those from the CRM and take them with you. So you own everything if you decide to go.